This video is going to be about the Earth and why it is the habitable planet. So the first reason Earth is the habitable planet is its position from the Sun. Earth is in the habitable zone, which just means that it is far enough from the Sun that water exists, and habitable zones are known as Goldilocks zones, so conditions have to be just right. They can't be too hot or too cold for life to be sustained. We also have to be close enough to the sun that we stay warm, and the water needs to be warm enough to be in liquid form so that we can use it. This one's a bit of an obvious one, but soil is a huge part of why our planet is habitable. Soil allows for us to grow food, and the rock cycle is able to occur due to our soil. The magnetic field is a very important part as to why Earth is habitable. The field protects the Earth from solar winds by deflecting them, and it also protects us from solar bodies such as comets and asteroids, and without the magnetic field, our planet wouldn't be able to keep the atmosphere. Also, plate tectonics will work to keep our magnetic field strong and secure, and although Mars is part of the habitable zone, it doesn't have the magnetic field that Earth does, so life would not and cannot be sustained on Mars as it can be on Earth. And last, mass and temperature are a huge reason why our planet can sustain life. The mass of the Earth is what gives it the gravitational pull that allows us to hold on to the atmospheric molecules. And the temperature gives the atmospheric molecules energy and speed so the molecules can escape. With both mass and temperature, we can hold on to the oxygen we breathe and let out the carbon dioxide, which can escape due to the temperature. And carbon dioxide is also a huge source of fuel for our planet and sustaining life other than human life.